Planning your next journey, Voyager will check your holdings with the complete catalogue and show you all the products available. First, double-click on the Planning tab to open the map on the screen. Select Route Mode and then click on the screen to enter your waypoints. Click on Products to select the required product, then select the scale, then click on Submit. Select the items you want to order by ticking the box. Select Add to Basket. To send the order to the server, click on the Basket tab. Select the items that you want to order for AVCS or ARCs. Make sure you have the required license period. If you are ordering paper charts, enter the port of collection and your estimated time and date of arrival. Click on Submit Order and confirm Yes to proceed.